Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at an effective tool, an indicator that you can use to enhance your trading strategy. All right, we are going to be looking at a custom indicator known as the Fast Stochastic Indicator. All right, this indicator is a custom indicator, so I had to download it from the MQL5 marketplace. All right, you can check out the MQL5 marketplace and download the Fast Stochastic Indicator from there, or you can check out any other reputable source online in order to download this indicator. Now, whether you are day trading, scalping, or swing trading, this tool can make a real difference in how you read the markets and identify key entry and exit points. So in this video, I'm going to cover what the fast stochastic indicator is and how it works. I'm also going to be covering how it differs from the regular stochastic oscillator, and I'm going to be showing you how to set this indicator up, all right? And finally, how you can use it effectively to pinpoint potential reversals and overbought or oversold conditions. All right, now if that sounds good, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading content. In the meantime, let us get started. So let's break down what exactly the fast stochastic indicator is. All right, like I already said, this indicator is a custom indicator. So if you want to add it to your chart, you go to download it from a reputable source. First of all, after downloading it from a reputable source, you can click on File. This is the MetaTrader platform, all right? MetaTrader 4. So you have to click on File. On the top left corner, you go to Open Data folder. Then you go to MQL4, then you'll go to indicators, then the file that you had already downloaded from the MQL5 marketplace or any other marketplace, any other reputable online source, you will copy the file from there and paste it inside the indicators folder. All right, you have to paste it inside the indicators folder on your MQL5 data folder. Okay, so after doing that, you have to exit the MetaTrader 4 terminal and then reopen it again. All right, now while the standard stochastic oscillator is a bit smoother and slower to react, the fast stochastic, as the name suggests, is a quicker, more sensitive version of it. Now this indicator moves quickly between 0 and 100, as we can see, between 0 and 100, providing traders with fast feedback on whether an asset is potentially overbought or oversold. Essentially, this indicator is used to help us identify potential reversals and trends in the price. Now here's the thing. The fast stochastic indicator excels in spotting short-term opportunities because it reacts faster to price changes. It can help us pinpoint exact moments when the market might be ready to reverse. Now, you might be wondering, why use the fast stochastic instead of the standard one? Great question. The main difference between the two is sensitivity, all right? Now, I'm just going to be adding the standard stochastic oscillator. All right, I'm just going to be adding it to the chart, and we can see both of them. Now let me just confirm the period for this is 5 and 3, and the period for this is also 5 and 3. All right, so we are using the same period, but we can see how how the fast stochastic oscillator is reacting to price compared to that of the normal, the regular, the standard oscillator. All right, so here we go. The standard stochastic oscillator is a bit slower and smoother. which can help filter out some of the noise from sudden price spikes. But this also means it might miss out on those early signals that a trend is shifting. Okay. On the other hand, the fast stochastic gives you more immediate feedback. Okay. If you are looking for a tool that can alert you as soon as momentum changes direction, the fast stochastic is your go-to. All right. Now we can let us see if we can find some practical examples. In as much as some of the movements between the fast stochastic and the stochastic oscillator are similar, we can see given the same period 5353, we can see there are similar movements, but can you see how the fast stochastic is even quicker in responding to price changes? For example, this is a perfect example. At this point, you can see this W form here. That W formed because the indicator was following price movement. You can see when the price recorded an upward move somewhere, or when the price was about to record an upward move, you see the indicator had already signaled it. You can see this upward move happen down. You can see how it came down, went up again, came down, went up again, whereas the standard oscillator just had only one upward move. All right. So the fast stochastic, if you are a scalper, you might really find this fast stochastic even more, useful. All right, a scalper might prefer the fast stocks compared to the standard stocks, although the standard stocks is still very great. Okay, you can even modify the period so you can get even faster signals. All right, so in a nutshell, use the fast stochastic if you want quicker feedback, all right, and a comfortable handling the additional noise, and use the standard stochastic if you want something a bit more stable. Okay, because remember that the increased sensitivity of the fast stochastic also means you might see more false signals, especially in choppy or sideways markets. All right. Now let us move into setting up the fast stochastic on your trading platform. Okay. You obviously have to open your charting platform, whether it is TradingView or MetaTrader or any other platform. Then if you are using MetaTrader, because this is the MetaTrader platform that I'm using, I already said that it's a custom indicator, so you will need to download it, and then you have to send it into the indicators folder, and then you will now click on insert, click on indicators, you click on custom plus custom indicators. After, you must have already pasted the indicator file in your indicators folder on your MQL4 folder. All right, then you now select the fast stochastic indicator. Okay, all right. Now once the indicator is set up, you will notice the two lines moving between 0 and 100. These lines are the percentage K line and the percentage D line, as we can see. Yeah, I'm just going to show you that. All right, the fast stochastic, so we can see that we have the percentage K and the percentage D. All right. Okay. So the percentage K line is our blue line, while the percentage D line is our red line. All right. Now let's talk about the real value of the fast stochastic, spotting potential entry and exit points. This indicator can be extremely useful in recognizing overbought, as you can see here, and oversold levels. Typically, when the indicator reads above 80, it's considered overbought. When it is below 20, it's considered oversold. But here is the key: don't rely solely on these overbought and oversold readings. Just because a market is overbought doesn't mean it's immediately going to drop. All right, and the same goes for oversold conditions. You need additional confirmation. So look for crossovers between the percentage K and the percentage D lines as a signal. When the percentage K crosses above the percentage D in the oversold area, that is below 20, it could be a signal to buy. All right, as we can see, we had the signal to buy around here. You can see that the price eventually went up. All right, you can set your stop loss just below the swing low. You can target the nearest resistance zone for your take profit, or you can just wait for the fast stochastic to enter the overbought territory, and then when it begins to cross downwards, you exit your buy trade. On the other hand, when the percentage K crosses below the percentage D in the overbought area, that's above 80, it could be a signal to sell. In that situation, after you sell, you set your stop loss above the swing high. Your take profit can be at the nearest support zone, or you can just wait for the fast stochastic to enter the oversold territory and begin to point upwards, and you exit your sell trade after that. Okay. Now, of course, these crossovers are not a guarantee, so it's always a good idea to combine the fast stochastic with other indicators or chart patterns to confirm the move. Okay, so to wrap it all up, here are a few tips to keep in mind. You use the fast stochastic alongside other indicators like moving averages or trend lines to validate signals. Okay, this can help filter out some of the noise and avoid false signals. Secondly, it's important that you focus on trending markets rather than choppy markets. The fast stochastic works best in markets that have a clear direction. Okay? And then it's important that you experiment with time frames. While the fast stochastic works well for short-term trading, it can be useful across different time frames. So you might want to play around with it on different charts to see where it gives you the best signals. All right? And that is it. You now have a solid understanding of how to use the fast stochastic indicator to improve your trading. This tool can be incredibly powerful in helping you spot overbought and oversold conditions as well as potential trend reversals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth trading content. Drop a comment below and let us know how you use the fast stochastic in your trading strategy, or if there are any other indicators you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and happy trading.